Today I'm going to be introducing you guys to a free multiplayer online quiz assessment program called Quizizz.com. This program uses any type of mobile device or computer that has internet access to bring multiple choice quiz questions to the students. The internet then connects the students to one another and to the instructor and to the specific quiz. As a result, the students are placed in a simulated game format. The students earn points for every question they get correct. Points are also determined by the time it took each individual student to answer each question correctly. The most valuable characteristic of Quizizz is that it gives the instructor a great deal of autonomy when creating quizzes. I've already created a quiz to demonstrate. It allows the instructor to include images with each of the questions, which I've done here. Quizizz also allows the instructor to determine the amount of time every student is given to answer each question. These times range from 5 seconds to 5 minutes. The instructor also has the option to turn off the time limit, thus eliminating the points the students earn for the amount of time they answered each question. The students are then awarded 0 points for a wrong answer and 1,000 points for a correct answer. However, turning the time limit off offers the instructor the option of creating more in-depth questions for students because the students have an unlimited amount of time. Furthermore, Quizizz is valuable for students. The time limit elimination allows for each student to work at their own level. This allows each student to determine the momentum of each of their separate games. Quizizz also allows for the instructor to determine if the scoreboard will be public or not. This is beneficial to those students who fear having attention drawn to them. Quizizz is also unique because it allows each student to view their questions on isolated devices. As a result, the order of the questions are arbitrarily given to the students if decided so by the instructor. This removes the chance of cheating in the classroom. Another option that removes the chance of cheating throughout different classes is the option that allows the students to view the correct answers to the questions they answered incorrectly. Quizizz can be used as a form of formative assessment. It can be used at the end of a lesson to determine what students have really grasped. Quizizz can also be a tool to determine what an instructor needs to reteach or review. It can also be used as an exit ticket at the end of a lesson. Quizizz can also be used as a tool to challenge those more advanced students. These students can create their own quizzes using Quizizz to illustrate what they've learned at the end of a unit. These students should be skilled enough within the unit to be able to construct their own questions, correct answers, and incorrect answers. Quizizz does not track student progress over time. However, it does track and allow an instructor to view and save student scores on individual quizzes that they take. Once the students have completed a quiz, an instructor is given the option to save the data from that particular quiz. This data then opens an Excel spreadsheet. This spreadsheet lists the names of all of the students who took the quiz, all of the questions in the quiz, if they got each question right or wrong, the answer they chose, and then it calculates the students' accuracy scores at the bottom. As a result, the instructor can save the scores and compare those to other quizzes of the same magnitude over time. Quizizz as an assessment tool in the classroom only posed a few disadvantages. The primary disadvantage was that it only allowed the instructor to create quizzes using questions in the multiple choice format. Another significant problem is that some students or school districts do not have mobile devices or enough computers for each student to use the program simultaneously. The last crucial problem is that an instructor cannot add audio. This puts struggling readers at a greater disadvantage.